Hello, welcome back to my channel. Chris the Frugal Audiophile with you here. Today I have a very special unboxing because this is a prize that I actually won on a live stream video from record-ology. And might have to go on top of here. Hopefully I'll try not to show his address here. That'd be the last thing I'd want to do is show that. All right, got a good cut in there. He has this taped up pretty well. That's good, I guess. Now, I have no idea what this is. I won it on a live stream that I was watching of his one day, a couple weeks ago actually. And he didn't say what it was. Yay, bubble wrap. Just what I always wanted. Cool. I'm just kidding. Okie doke. I have some, looks like stickers. Yeah, cool. Different kinds of stickers here. Guessing they have his logo on them. Very cool. Man, he gave me a lot of those. And here we have a package inside the package. I didn't know this was wrapped in here as well. Otherwise, I just maybe would have just opened it. And we have some CDs. Woo! All right, so let's see what we got. First, we have an Elvis Presley CD. That's cool. I don't think I've ever owned an Elvis Presley CD. So we have the Chieftains. I've heard of this band, but I've never listened to them. I'll be curious to do that. Probably import these onto my Apple Music. And Shania Twain, Up. I can't remember if this is one of her older CDs, but I've never heard of it. I'm sure I've heard songs from it, but I'm not familiar with the title right now. I was a big Shania Twain fan back in the day, and I have not listened to her music in a long time. So this will be a fun kind of trip back into the past to check out this CD. So that's what's in this box. I want to thank record-ology so much for his giveaway and for sending this prize package out. I really appreciate it. If you haven't checked out his channel, I will leave a link down in the description. I really encourage you to do so. It's a very fun channel, and he covers a lot of things having to do with vinyl very well, and he knows what he's talking about. I really appreciate the information that he provides on his channel there. So go check out his channel, subscribe to his channel, subscribe to my channel if you like the kind of content that I am producing, and also be sure to click that bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Okay, I just want to add on to the end of this video a couple of things that I found or would like to clarify in this unboxing from record-ology. And the first one is this very cool sticker. I think there's about 6 of them in the box, maybe 8, but it says, "I can't, I'm busy cleaning my records." I thought that was really cool. Now I just got to find some good places to put these. Along with that is the Shania Twain CD. Now this is not the standard or the original release of Up. This is a 2-disc set. So you have the red and then you have the green release. I thought that was really cool in here. I believe this one right here, it has some bonus tracks on it and some remixes of some of the more popular songs. So I thought that was really neat and an album that I had not really seen before. So we'll set that down there. I mean that double disc version. But that's not all. Also, in that double disc set there from Shania Twain was a signed note from Shania. And I'll put on the screen some of the text from this note. I don't think this is an originally signed copy. I think it's a reproduction or just a copy of something that she signed. But she kind of goes through here and she talks about how much her fans mean to her and this release and just the different styles of music that are on it. She also talks about listening to her local radio station as a kid and what that meant to her and the impact that it had on her. It also tells you where to find some bonus tracks. I doubt that's still there on her website. If you want to check, feel free to go ahead and do that. Anyway, I thought that was really cool to have this signed note from Shania Twain included in this package as well. So once again, record-ology, I thank you so much for sending over this prize package, and God bless.